Hello there guys, how you doing? It's me again, and today I'm gonna cook for you. Yep, yet another cooking vlog. But okay, I think that you will like what I will gonna do. Anyway, I just want to tell you that I owe some unboxing packages videos, but but because I know that I'm waiting for a couple more to come, I will do a video just for an unboxing and all that stuff. Anyway, I hope that you are all good, of course, and let's go to the cooking. I'm gonna start with the potatoes. We're gonna need, of course, potatoes, olive oil, oregano, beer fix, Kyle fix, man, yeah, a juice of 1.5 lemon, mustard, salt and pepper. I'm gonna peel the potatoes off, and I'm gonna see you in a moment to show you what I'm gonna do. Hello, Mella. Say hello to all my friends and your friends out there. Say hello. Hello. Where are you, man? Hello again. Okay. I have peeled my potatoes. I have cut them. Well, now what am I gonna do here? I'm gonna add some mustard. Oh yeah! Oh, my towel! My towel! About 2 teaspoons. Yep. Now, I need the juice of 1.5 lemon. And because they're very juicy, I will use only 1 lemon. Because when you're eating them, I don't want you to be like, Anyway, the juice of 1 lemon. Yep. Now, pepper. Salt. Oregano. Extra virgin olive oil. Bit more. Yeah. Oops. Use your hands. I'm back. Well, I have my pan here, all the way down to the potatoes. Good. And I will cook them with beer instead of water. How awesome is that? Fix. Good. Not all, because I want some too. Cheers. Now I'm gonna put this in the oven. I'm gonna show you how I will make the meatballs. Cheers. Now, what I will need for my meatballs: ground beef. Yep. Gonna need 2 teaspoons of Greek yogurt, salt. Where's my pepper? Pepper. 1 chopped onion. Some fresh parsley, mustard, a different mustard, more spicy this time, oregano, and that's all. So, first of all, I'm gonna chop my onion and I'm gonna put it in the pan and just sort of caramelize it. I don't want it to take color. I just want to be softer. So when I put it in the ground beef, it won't be so intense. Its taste. You know what I mean? I guess you do. Cheers. Cheers. Okay, I'm gonna chop that and I'm gonna see you in a while. I forgot to tell you 2 more ingredients. Some tomato juice, homemade, I made this. Some olive oil. Okay, see you in a while. Cheers. Fresh parsley. Some of you may find the ingredients for the meatballs awkward and weird because I'm not using egg, I'm not using breadcrumbs. It's a unique recipe, but believe me, if you taste it, you will love it. Let's go on. I need 2 teaspoons of Greek yogurt. 1, 2, good. About 1.5 teaspoon of mustard. Okay. Good. About 2 to 3 teaspoons of tomato juice, fresh. Good. Okay. Oregano. Salt. And pepper. Okay, I have put my onions in. I will add some olive oil. That's enough. And now for the fun part, hands. Of course I wash them, okay? Good, hands. Howdy! Okay, my meatballs, my mix for the meatballs is ready. I'm gonna put that into the fridge for about 40 minutes, and then I will get out my pan from the oven and make my meatballs and put them onto the potatoes. If you could only smell that. Oh yeah, good. Now I'm just gonna show you one, and then okay, let's go. Let's do some meatballs. Okay, as you can see, I don't know, probably you can see that. It's ready to put it on the oven for about more 20 or 25 minutes until the meatballs are yummy. Let's go. The food is ready. Look. I'm gonna serve it and I'm gonna do the ultimate test for you. I was so hungry and I forgot to do the ultimate test. Well, this is what is left. Let's taste it. Yum, 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 yum. Let's take first some meatball. This is great. And let's taste a potato cooked with beer. You should try this. I'm sure that for the non-vegetarians, you will love this. Okay, bye.